Have you tried using ChatGPT for translation? Since ChatGPT came along, we now have a translation tool that's way more intuitive than Google Translate. I've used it to write emails, product descriptions, and YouTube video scripts, which got me thinking, maybe there's a way to connect ChatGPT directly to YouTube? So today, I'm going to show you how I built an automated YouTube content publisher, turning ChatGPT into my YouTube marketing expert. I'll demonstrate how it can churn out YouTube video titles, descriptions, and copy in multiple languages, and then batch, upload, and publish the videos automatically. With AI and automation, all you need to do is upload video content on your mobile phone and provide a short text description. The AI will then automatically generate copy and publish to YouTube, while the YouTube links and all that copy will be fed back into a spreadsheet for you. I'll break down how I set up this automated YouTube video publisher. The whole process requires no code at all, and you can totally learn it even if you don't know any program. I also share a logic diagram you can get it for free to map out building your own automation workflows. So what tools do we need to make for this automated publisher happen? First, we need somewhere to upload videos and store assets. For this, I'm using API table. It lets me submit videos through the forms with all the data submitted through the form automatically saving to a database. API table is like Airtable, a database tool that's more affordable. You can get a free trial through my link in the description. Second, ChatGPT. We all chat with ChatGPT, but how do we get it to automatically generate copy for us? To leverage ChatGPT for workflow automation, we need to use its API. Don't worry, using API doesn't require any coding. You just need to get your OpenAI API key, and other tools will handle the connections for you. Here is how to access your API key. Go to this link, log into your GPT account, click on Personal, then View API Keys. This page will show you available API requests quota and your actual API keys for integrating with other tools. Finally, and most importantly, we need the no-code tool Zapier. Zapier connects 5,000 apps without coding. Here, we use it to link the form and ChatGPT. We send the form data to GPT via Zapier and then chain GPT and YouTube through Zapier, so the info flows between them automatically. Alright, now let's walk through the steps. First, build a table in API table with columns for video number, video attachment, original language to translate to, and YouTube link. Then convert this table into a form that we can submit videos and text through. This syncs submission in real time into the table, triggering ChatGPT to translate into multiple languages. With our information pipeline set up, we open Zapier and create a new Zap. Set the trigger to new API table rows, so each video submitted files the Zapier workflow. Next, we add ChatGPT to the Zap by pasting the API key. Now configured, ChatGPT can work automatically in the workflow instead of us opening each time. Finally, we select YouTube to auto-upload the videos, titles, and descriptions through the Zapier. With the Zapier configured, I can open the form on my phone, upload a video and text, and then check my YouTube Studio. The Spanish version is already there. Back in the API table, the YouTube link and the translated copies are also filled in, ready to use as well if needed. One tip, for videos under 100 megapixel work best for auto-publishing through Zapier. And there we have it, your own AI video publisher. I've shared all the tool and links and process diagram in the link below. You can get it free from the description. I'm Day, and I hope AI and automation can save us all from more repetitive tasks. If you have any idea for custom AI and automation workflows, click the link in my YouTube channel page to schedule a free consultation call with me. I'll see you in next one. Bye bye.